Hi guys, today I am going to show you how you can make McDonald's veg pizza McPuff at home. I have cut all the vegetables. I have taken capsicum, carrot, baby corn and whatever vegetables you have you can add it. Now I am sieving the flour. You can see I have taken maida in this. You can take maida according to the portion you are making at your home. So after sieving the flour properly, now we'll make a dough. So I'm adding in this 2 spoons of vegetable oil. After adding vegetable oil, you have to take little bit of salt according to your taste. Now we'll take water. Now we'll knead our dough and our dough is ready. We'll keep it for rest for 15 minutes. Now I have cut garlic and ginger into pieces. Now I have taken a pan and I'll add some oil in this. We'll saute our vegetables in this. So I've added some oil in this. After that we will add our which we have cut our ginger and garlic, so we'll add this in this. So we are adding this in our oil. So you have to make it little brown, and after that you will add vegetables in the oil. It's very easy to make and your children will really enjoy this. So you can see I've added my garlic and ginger in this. After that you can see the color has changed little bit. Now I'll add all my veggies. I have added onion also. If you don't eat onions, you can skip this step. So now I'll add all my veggies. After adding veggies, now I'm adding one bowl of peas in this. These are frozen peas. So now we'll mix it well. Now we are adding salt in this. We have to add salt as per your taste. After we have added salt, now we'll add pasta and pizza sauce. This will really make your pizza puff very tasty. Believe me, it's a very nice sauce. You can just add this in this. You can see I'm adding 2 spoons of pasta and pizza sauce. And this is a very healthy dish. All the veggies are there in this. So you don't have to worry about it. We are making something healthy. Now I am adding oregano in this. After that we'll add chili flakes in this. Now we'll give it proper mix. You can see I'm just mixing it properly. You can see our veggies are ready. Now I've cut the cheese into cubes so that when it melts it really tastes very good. So I've just cut into cubes and now I'll mix it properly. I have switched off my flame. So you can see our filling is ready now. Now I will show you how you can make the pizza puff. So now I have my dough is ready. Now I'll take a ball and I'll just roll it out. You can see I'm just rolling it out. So now I have just roll it out. You can don't worry about the shape because anyways we are going to cut the shape from the sides. Now I have taken a knife and I'll just cut it from the sides. We have to give them a square shape. So I'm just cutting it from the sides. You can see. Now I'll cut into 3 parts. After that in this I'll just fill up my fillings. So the filling I have made now will add in this. You have to just dust a little maida on it so that it doesn't stick on your base. So you can see I'm just adding my filling in this. Now I'll take the next layer and I'll just put on the filling. Now you have to properly lock it. So you can see how I'm just locking the filling so that it doesn't come out whenever you're frying. Now what we'll do is we have to give it a shape of Mac Pizza Puff according to the McDonald's. So now I'm taking a fork and now I'll just poke it, and you can see I'm just giving it the shape. But first you have to dust maida on the base so that it doesn't stick to the base. Now I'll just give it a shape of Mac Puff. You can see it's very simple and very easy to make it, and you can see our Mac Puff is ready. Now we'll just fry it. So I've just kept the oil on the medium flame and I'm just frying it. After it turns brown, you have to just take it out, and you can see our Mac Pizza Puff is ready. Just give it a try, guys. It's a very amazing dish. And if you like this dish, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Okay guys, bye. Take care. Stay healthy.